Hello everyone, we are one of the groups from St. Peter's School in Jakarta, Indonesia. My name is Rosemary Audrey Elena Haryanto, and these are my teammates.
I am Arsha Kalista.
I am Keisha Penelope Lukman.
Today we will tell you an original story about space science and technology in healthcare. Enjoy!
Space Science and Technology in Healthcare for Better Future. Keisha was an accountant from Indonesia. She was on her way to work. She was walking across the street when a motorcycle hit her. The motorcycle was going at full speed, so it had no time to stop. Keisha fell to the ground and dislocated her shoulder. The motorcyclist apologized and offered to bring Keisha to the hospital.
When they arrived at the hospital, Keisha asked someone if there was any doctor available. The doctor's assistant asked her,
"What's the problem?"
Keisha said,
"My arm feels numb, but I think I dislocated my shoulder."
Oh, I see. Let me bring you to an orthopedic doctor.
Keisha said thank you to the motorcyclist and went with the doctor's assistant. They went inside a doctor's office. The doctor examined her arm and told her that she has to get an x-ray. Keisha asked the doctor,
"What is an x-ray for?"
The doctor answered, X-rays are a type of radiation called electromagnetic waves. X-ray imaging creates pictures of the inside of your body. The images show the parts of your body in different shades of black and white. This is because different tissues absorb different amounts of radiation. X-rays are developed with space science technology. The X-rays are directed toward the part of the body being examined. Keisha was surprised. She asked how X-rays are developed with space science technology. The doctor's assistant answered,
Although CT scan or X-ray wasn't invented by NASA, NASA contributed significantly to its advancement. NASA was able to create a superior version, giving doctors the ability to diagnose more medical problems than in the traditional stethoscope. This enhanced device can detect damage to bones, injuries to internal organs, problems with blood flow, stroke, and cancer.
After the doctor and her assistant finished explaining, they went to the x-ray room. The doctor and her assistant explained further about the x-ray machine. They explained that x-ray uses computed tomography or CT. Digital signal processing was pioneered at NASA for use during the Apollo lunar landings to computer-enhanced pictures of the moon. This technology was used in a broad range of earthbound medical and diagnostic tools, including advanced body imaging techniques known as CT, CAT scan, and magnetic resonance imaging or MRI.
The doctor and her assistant proceeded to use the X-ray machine to scan the patient's arm. After the result was out, the patient and the doctor discussed it. It turns out that the patient was right. She had a dislocated shoulder. Even though she was in pain, she was amazed at how the machine worked. Keisha commented,
"I really think that this machine is very useful. It could diagnose a person's sickness and injuries so that the person can get the right treatment. It's good that more space science and technology is being used in machines like this for a better future."
In the end, the doctor gave Keisha a cast for her arm. Keisha had to stay at the hospital for a few days in order for her arm to be monitored.
In this story, we included some sustainable development goals, such as good health and well-being, affordable and clean energy, and partnerships for the goals.
X-rays can be used for good health and well-being. In the future, we hope that X-rays can be powered by more natural sources such as the sun. That way, it will use more affordable and clean energy.
Lastly, X-ray is the result of the partnership between NASA and scientists. Thank you for listening to our story and explanation. We hope you enjoyed it.